Hey guys, this is Rocco the Retro Repairman coming at you. This is a Eleco Hanabi Hyakke. Probably saying it wrong. Please don't nail me to the wall on that one, guys. But I thought that your typical Eleco machine from your early 2000s, like most I've read in the forums and Pachi Talk, got to mention how of a cornucopia of knowledge that is. Check Google before you bug someone and ask them on the internet, not to be rude. But a lot of that stuff, man, you would have to send away for in mail order to get this information because at the fingertips of us now, and there's so many wonderful people willing to talk in these forums. So I just wanted to say thank you for the folks at Pachi Talk and the Pachislo and Pachinko Repair Group on Facebook. You guys are awesome resource. You're not pricks like a lot of other collectors groups because I'm a high-end video game collector. So without further ado, there were solder joints where the speaker connections, the white and red ones, clipped in on the board right around in here on the previous video that I did. So after I wiggled that wire, because I know it wasn't going to kill anything, because it was just a speaker connection, I was getting sound intermediately between the left and right channels. Well, I looked at the connector, and as you know, it should be like left to right, horizontal. Was kind of cockeyed. So I think the guy that owned it before the guy before me, because this guy said he never had sound, he couldn't disconnect the sound, and I think he just cranked the freaking the traces. He literally just cranked the traces. So this is how it sounds. This thing's like freaking awesome. This is like something you see in the electronic trade shows and stuff with the display here. Oh wow, this is awesome. I like this. Hard to do it one-handed, guys. Sorry. The kids are usually my helpers. But you can just keep giving it your credits here because you know it won't. The house doesn't pay until you hit 50 credits. But thank you again for watching. Thank you for listening. And be excellent to each other. Stay healthy. Stay happy. Stay safe.